Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to integrate WhatsApp with your Shopify store step by step. So this can be useful if you want to give customers another simple way to contact your business and make your communication more direct. So to get started, I want you to open your Shopify admin dashboard and look at the menu on the left side. So from here, click on app. So this is where you can find and add extra tools to your Shopify store. Next, use the search option and type WhatsApp, and then you'll see different results appear. So look through the list and choose the WhatsApp app that you want to use. And before continuing, you can also check the app page to see its details, reviews, features, and available pricing options. And once you are on the app page, click install to add it to your Shopify store. And after the installation is complete, the app should guide you through connecting your WhatsApp account. So at this point, connect the WhatsApp account you use for your business, depending on what appears on your screen. You may need to log in or scan a QR code using a WhatsApp on your phone. So just follow the instructions shown until the connection is completed. So once your account is connected successfully, the WhatsApp is now integrated with your Shopify store. You can then use it as another way to communicate with customers and handle their questions more easily. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you on the next video.